Hey guys, this is a electric outlet. This is outside the house, and this I used for powering the transformer for our low voltage light, as well as powering the fountain and the permanent lights. And as you see, all this is kind of messy. These lights, these wires from each equipment are going, and they are getting connected to this one single power outlet, which is not a problem. The problem is basically all these wall outlets are, or these power outlets, power cords are exposed to the extreme temperature. In winter it is exposed to the snow, and in rain it gets exposed to the water. So my plan is basically to install a box over here, and tug in all these wires inside that box. So I already order one box from the Amazon. Let me show you that box, and my plan is to basically install it over here, and then use that box to tug in all these wires, and not to expose all these wires to the extreme temperature. So let me show you the box, and then I will show you after the installation. So this is the outdoor electrical box which I ordered, and they say that it is waterproof. So let me remove this box from the box and show you how exactly it looks. And this is the box. It's pretty sturdy, and it has some holes on each side, and these are not visible, and they are kind of covered using some kind of a flap, so that water wouldn't go inside. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and on the back side nothing is there. So 8 wires you can insert through these holes from each hole. Now this is definitely watertight. As you see, expose this, or to use this box you have to remove, to disengage these hooks, and once you disengage those hooks you will have the access to the inside of the box. So as you see, and there is plenty of spaces over here. So my plan is to have one extension box over here, and then attach all the wires in this box. Now to install this box, only 2 screws are required, as you see over here on the back side. So I'm going to mark those 2 screws on the wall, and then install this box so that it is on the wall, something like this. And once it is installed, and pass through all the wires through this one. So in the instruction manual it shows that how exactly you could pass the wires and use this as a electric box, outdoor electric box, which will prevent water from getting inside, and you are not going to expose the electrical outlets or the circuits of your electrical equipments to the water. And as you see that once the wire goes through this one, there is pretty much good closeness comes out once you close this box. So let me mark the box let me mark the points on the wall, and drill the hole, and install the nails or screws, and then install this box, and I'll show you how exactly it looks. And the installation is done, and I have to add few more equipments inside this box and attach them to the extension, which I have not yet installed the extension over here, but this looks pretty sturdy now with those 2 screws. And now I'm going to just install this cover on top of this, and it would look nice. And this is how it looks, very neat. And this clamp goes like this, just you have to engage it, and it becomes watertight. Like this. Thanks for watching. I'll add the Amazon purchase link in the description below. In case if you have any questions, just let me know. and I'll try to answer those questions as early as possible.